Hello, everyone. My name is Michael Eduardo Esparza Trago. I am from Bucaramanga, Colombia, a beautiful city also. I know and city of the park. I am currently university student at the UNAP, where I study business administration. I really enjoy learning English because it helps me communication with the people from different countries and improve my professional opportunities. I am free time. I like listening to music, watching series, and spending time with my family and friends. Sometimes I also enjoy going on a walk or visiting another places around my city. I consider myself a friend and responsible person who I like to keep learning every day. Thank you for my watching my video. See you next time.